How to install Python 2 on Windows. Open Python website. Site link in video description. Click a Python 2 version. Select an installer 32-bit or 64-bit. Run the Python installer. Select an option for installing. Click Next. Select an install directory optional. Click Next. Customize Python. Click the X button next to add python.exe to path. Click will be installed on local hard drive. Click Next. Click Yes. Click Finish on the installer. Test your Python installation. Type Python and press Enter. You should see at the beginning of the current line. This means Python is working and the path is set correctly. Thanks for watching video.